In the rainy season, there is food about, if you know where to look.
Dead acacia tree. What the locals will always do with it, they come up and put their ear to it and listen for larvae inside. Here you go, that's what I mean. So rhino beetle larvae there. You can just eat them raw.
When they're cooked, they're a bush delicacy, and at this time of year, there's plenty of them here.
No wonder they fry them. Oh, ready for this? Oh my goodness. This one has been living in there a very, very long time. I'm not going to need to eat for a week after this one.
Pound for pound, insects like these contain more protein than beef or fish. They're perfect survival food.
Oh, this actually ranks as one of the worst things I've ever eaten. That taste. It's like if all your friends get all their bogies together, squeeze them inside a sausage, and then you put that in your mouth. Man.